Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're doing fantastic despite the blood in the market right now. Remember, money is made in the bear markets and you just got to hold for enough years and accumulate for enough time in order to make a strong return. You can buy Bitcoin at any time and hold for 4 years and you're going to be in profit. Just know in the end it will be okay, guys. I know it's rough. So what we're going to do at the moment is look at DeFi Kingdoms, because it's been a while. It's one of our favorite DeFi projects. Play to earn cryptocurrency with really cool utility based NFTs, and the price has dropped quite a lot. And I think for anyone that was looking to get into Jewel or DeFi Kingdoms, Jewel being the actual token for this particular game, I think it could potentially present a good opportunity to get in quite early. As you can see, DeFi Kingdom's price today is $0.63 with a 24-hour trading volume of $32 million. And when we look at the historic data, this historical data shows us that we had an all-time high of $22 back in early May, just not even long ago actually. So that's pretty crazy. We've capitulated so much already. Year to date, we come down from $22 into this lull. We put through another swing high, like a bit of a relief bounce. We got to that $11. Now we're all the way under $1. So I do think we are anticipating a bounce at some point soon. So let's take a little look at Harmony and what's going on. One good thing that I really like about it is actually it's still really low market cap, just $40 million. And with that low market cap, it does give and provide opportunity for big growth for the future. It's easy to become a 10x. You can easily become 400 million. We can easily see another $6 to $10 DeFi Kingdoms Jewel once again. So what I like about this is they're still updating. As you can see, May 11, 2022, despite all of the disgust and the manipulation in the market at the moment, we are still seeing updates for basically DeFi Kingdoms. There's more interoperability, they're still expanding onto the Avalanche ecosystem regardless of what's happening, and there's lots of great stuff happening at the moment. We can see gardening and mining updates. We've got Stone Carver as well, so the portal zone, they're adding something in as well, with a small little camp set up with a soft crackling fire. So it's pretty cool just to see that they're still working on the game. They've got the developers in the background that are definitely going to stick with the project long term. Harmony TVR at the moment, we have seen a lot of total value lost on the Harmony ecosystem, but we can see that DeFi Kingdoms is still the second biggest liquidity provider. As we see, we've got a nice market cap to total value locked ratio of 0.86, and we still have 66 million locked in from DeFi Kingdoms Jewel alone. If we click onto Jewel as well, we can see what's happened here. The TVL was 1.1 billion and it's moved all the way down to 100 million now. So it does present effectively, in my opinion, a very good area to potentially get in for the long term hodl. I know it feels very hard to do, to get your mind to do that, but when you're thinking long term, the price today is completely irrelevant. The price next week is also irrelevant as long as your dollar cost averaging in. So DeFi Kingdoms is a game, a decentralized exchange, a liquidity protocol opportunity, and a market of rare utility driven NFTs, and it all plays out seamlessly in the incredible nostalgic form of fantasy pixel art. I'm going to show you the website right now. It looks absolutely incredible. Love the graphics on this particular one. It's kind of pixelated, but it's really cool. We can see the Jewel token is built and traded on the Harmony One platform using the Uniswap v2 protocol, secure, fast, and with extremely low trading fees. You'll be earning rewards in no time. The game features, you've got lots of staking, yield farming, you can swap tokens, you've got pools, you've got gardens, you can buy heroes in the tavern. Certainly one of the most outstanding play to earn DeFi games out there. Just to give you a flavor of what the game really looks like, we can just quickly open this video and just kind of play through a little bit of it right here. Pretty much the number one game on Harmony. Trade, marketplace, players. This is so cool. This was a great game to play. If you got in early, you would make bank. So yeah, that's just kind of a bit of a teaser about what this is about. It's an extremely cool looking game. So what's happening with the price at the moment? Well, not a great deal, to be honest. We have seen mass capitulation. We've seen 2 corrections now for this particular project. When we look at what's happened, we came down from this particular level, swing low, to here. We had a 90% correction, and what's happened now, we've also had another huge 97% correction. Now usually when we look at the daily time frame, when we're this oversold, we do anticipate at least a bounce. So we are anticipating a bounce of some sort. What happened before, from this swing low to high, we came up to the 0.382 Fibonacci extension. So what I do expect could happen if we do get any relief bounce at all is we come up to maybe at least the first Fibonacci extension at around $4.60. If we don't get any of this play out and we just see more capitulation and blood in the market, then I do also speculate that we're going to be in a big crypto winter, which is effectively going to mean that we're trading sideways around $1, $2, $3 for a very, very long time, leading into 2023 or even 2024, where we start seeing the pump, and then we will start, making those explosive highs once again. When crypto's dead, when crypto's a scam, when crypto's boring, that is exactly when you want to be accumulating for the long-term hodls. So really, at the moment, there's no immediate price prediction because we just don't know what the rest of the market's going to do. When we look at indicators like the BLX, for example, and Brave New Coin Liquid Index for Bitcoin, we can see 2017 cycle. Of course, we corrected, we lost the descending triangle, we touched the 200-week moving average, which is this lovely line right here. Happened again with COVID 2020 crash, 200-week moving average, we're back on board. And it could easily happen right here that we capitulate down and we at least come to about $20,000 for Bitcoin to actually come down to the 200-week moving average, which of course would suggest more capitulation for the rest of the market. What I can also see is that basically we're seeing a huge loss of support at this particular level. Right here we see 28.8k. This is just a disaster, absolute disaster for Bitcoin right now, because we capitulated down to 27.8k. We put through a lower low from June 2021, also January 2021. So we'd assume that we're going to see continuation to the downside on this particular outcome. Also, with the total market cap, on altcoins excluding Bitcoin, we're also seeing this major capitulation. We haven't come down to this low of 587 billion just yet, but I wouldn't rule it out. We lost this major support level on the diagonal, and again, it doesn't look good in the market right now. Market overview: Bitcoin down 38% on the week market capitalization, Ethereum down 34.2% on the market capitalization. Yeah, it's a bloodbath. The fear is extreme. It can present opportunity. If you want to actually make a long-term portfolio today, use the link at the top of my description. You can make an account super easy. Prepare yourself for a long-term hodl. If you want to invest for the long term, because that's what I am doing. I'm holding cryptos until 2030. I'm not bothered about today, tomorrow, next week. It's all about the long-term growth, as I believe fiat will become more and more worthless over time, and life will just become more difficult if you choose to hoard money and not commodities or scarce resource. So that's just what I'm doing. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you smash subscribe, comment down below, like. Also, don't forget to hop over to my Twitter channel, enter my $100 giveaway. All we can do is like, retweet, comment as well, and I'll see you there soon. Bye now.